Being an entrepreneur can be daunting. Trust me, I've spoken with thousands of entrepreneurs, and as an entrepreneur myself, I know how hard it is to prioritize what tasks to do when. The best CEOs are those that manage their time effectively. But to improve your time management, you first need to get the right tools to take care of routine business tasks that could otherwise eat up the hours in your day. For example, as your company grows and evolves, any business changes will have to be filed with the government. These include the details of your business, like your registered head office address, your board of directors, and your officers. By using smart online tools like Ownr, you can make these changes through a single platform that's designed to be user-friendly. It beats going directly to the government. Or take issuing shares and transferring shares. These are important steps to carry out as you raise capital, and they can also be done easily online with Ownr. Another tip is to generate important documents, like the terms of use and privacy policy for your website, using automated technology. Then you can securely store them, along with your company formation documents, in a single online location. All these simple tips can make time-consuming yet necessary business tasks easier and quicker to complete. This will help you carve time out to focus on why you became an entrepreneur in the first place, and commit your energy to growing your business. Click on the link below to see how Ownr can save you time and money and let you focus on building your business.